Rizal Representative Fidel Nograles is thankful to President Rodrigo Duterte. Duterte has signed into law the bill dividing Rizal province into 4 congressional districts. Under the measure, the 2nd district will be divided into 3. The author of House Bill number 6222 explained, this will ensure that Rizaleños will have better access to the government's resources. Nograles added, this would also mean more equitable distribution of resources as the country recovers from the pandemic.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.